Welcome to the in front of me XIAOMI Redmi Note 8 Pro, and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. So first you should go to the settings app and scroll a little bit down to the sounds and vibration. Now just as can you see here, we got the ringtone, alarm, events and notification sounds. You can change one, for example the alarm sound. Just tap here and you can select one from these sounds. Also you can go to the all ringtones, tap here to allow, and you can choose your ringtone from the log on ringtones from your device, also from the internet. Just tap there and here you can from your voice recorder or from file manager, from the download sounds. And then also you can just tap here on the just another ringtones and you will change your alarm sound by this way. Also we got here the silent and don't disturb mode. You can just activate them. Here we got the notifications, alarm and media volume panels. We can adjust our volume by just swapping with our finger to the left or to the right. Also we got here the vibration settings, and you can just enable the vibration for your calls or turn on or turn off the vibration in the silent mode. Also you can select the level of vibration, the light, medium, strong, or just you can turn it off. Now also we'll go back to the additional settings, and here we got the switchers, for example to the dial pad tones. If we'll just enable this option, when you'll just tap on your dial pad you'll hear the touches, also the tap sounds. As can you hear when we'll just launch the application, or if we'll just go back you'll hear the sounds of your touches. Also the screen locking sound, by the same way I'll just lock my screen, and when I'll unlock the screen we can hear the sounds, the screenshot sound by the same way, and also the delete sounds. So that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.